Okay, example, simplify each radicals. Okay, now we have cube root of 320. So how can we solve this one? Okay, remember you have to think, okay, for 320, we know that this is 32 multiplied by 10, right? Okay, and then ni kita pecahkan lagi, means that we know that this is 4 multiplied by 8, and this one 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, now this one we know when 2 power of 2 we get 4, and then 2 power of 3 we get 8. This one 5, and here we know 2 power of 1, right? We get 2. So now we combine all of this. Okay, we combine. And then we know that this one 320 from the multiplication of 2. Okay, now we have 2, 3 and 1. Okay, we just add all. 2 plus 3 we get 5, and then plus 1 we get 6. Okay, and then multiply by, okay, don't forget we have here 5, multiply by 5. So you can just recheck and press your calculator. When 2 power of 6 multiplied by 5 we get 320, and then put it in the question. Okay, we have here cube root of 2 power of 6 multiplied by 5. Alright, and then we know that, okay, here we have 2 power of 6, right? And then we know that the power is 6, and then we have cube root 3. We can just divide. Okay, 6 divided by 3 we get 2, and then we know we can just 2 power of 2 we can put it outside, and then cube root of 5. Okay, and then 2 power of 2 get 4. So the answer is cube root 4 multiply, okay, cube root of 5. Okay, this is the solution. Alright, when we know this is this satisfy the first condition where our m is equal to 1, and then our n is equal to 3. Alright, so I hope you understand. For example A. Okay, this is example B. We have here 4th root of 16, x power of 3, y power of 8, z power of 4. So now we have number 16, right? Okay, madam biasanya akan pecahkan dululah. So, madam nak tengok hasil darab apa dapat 16 ni. So, we know that this is 2 multiplied by 8, right? Okay, ni dah already dalam prime number. So, tak payah nak usik. Okay, kita bawa lagi 2 ke sini. And then 8 ni we know that this is base dia. Okay, kita boleh buat 2. Okay, 2 power of 3 we get 8. And when we combine this, right? So, we know this is power of 1. 16 is actually equal to 2 power of 4. Okay, kuasa dia kita tambah dia punya exponent 1 plus 3. We get 4 here. Okay, so dalam soalan ni, madam boleh buat macam ni. Okay, punca kuasa 4. We have here 2 power of 4, x power of 3, y power of 4 multiply y power of 4, and then z power of 4. So sekarang ni mana yang power of 4 ni, we can just put it outside because of we know our index now is 4. Bila kuasa 4, kita ada here punca kuasa 4, so we can just take it out. Alright, senang je. Madam paling suka part ni. Sebab apa? Ni madam dah boleh keluarkan, ni madam dah boleh keluarkan, ni madam keluarkan, ni madam keluarkan. So yang tak boleh ni tertinggal je dekat dalam punca kuasa 4. Alright, so now we have here 2 kuasa 4. Okay, 2 tinggal sebab dah 4 dah terhapus tu. And then y kita ada 2, jadi y square. And then z kita ada 1. Okay, so punca kuasa 4 tinggal x power of 3 saja kat dalam. Okay, this is the solution. Alright, yang penting dalam dia, yang penting m ni mesti lebih kecil daripada n yang kat sini. Okay, so this is example B. Okay, this is example C. Now we can see we have 2 square root. Okay, this is number 1. This is number 2. Okay, bila kita nampak ada square root ni, means that kita boleh sama kan? Dua-dua ada square root. So, we can just simplify, multiply, okay, all the radicals inside the root. Okay, so boleh je darab terus. Okay, now we can get, okay, 3 multiplied by 6, we get 18. And then a power of 2 multiply a power of 5. Remember when we multiply the same base adalah a, power dia kita buat apa? Kita just tambah 2 plus 5. Okay, dapat 7. And then B power of 3 multiply B, ni power dia 1. So B power of 4. Okay, so kita akan jadi 1 je dia punya root dia. Okay, now kita kena pilih pula number 18 ni. Now we have 18, kita kena fikir 18 ni multiplication of apa. So kita kena fikir, Sifir kena okay lah. Alright, so we know that this is 9 multiply by 2. And then 9 ni kita kena pecahkan lagi sebab dia bukan prime number, bukan nombor yang paling kecil. Okay, so sorry. Okay, we know that this is 3 power of 2. Okay, dapat 9. And then 2 ni kita bawa je ke sini. So maksudnya nak dapatkan 18 ni adalah hasil darab 3 kuasa 2 dengan 2. Okay, yang ni yang paling penting. Kena stop sampai sini je sebab we know that 3 and 2 is a prime number. Alright, and then put it in the question. So this is 3 power of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by A power of 6 and power of 1. Okay, kenapa Madam pecahkan? Sebab kat sini walaupun dia tak tulis adalah square root kan, senang sebab nanti Madam tinggalkan bahagi je, 6 bahagi dengan 2. Okay, even number. And then B power of 4. Okay, so sekarang ni macam mana kita nak keluarkan? So bila tengok dalam soalan, kita boleh keluarkan bila ada power of 2 je. Contoh 3 power of 2, A power of 6. Okay, boleh pecahkan, boleh kecilkan lagi, letak kat luar, boleh simplify. And then B power of 4. Alright, so okay, we know that now we have 3 power of 2 and square root. So terhapuslah dia punya sign tu semua. So tinggal 3 je kat luar. And then A power of 6. A power of 6, basically we know that we can just divide. Okay, the exponent 6 divided by 2 here. So we get 3. Okay, so akan jadi, sorry lah kelas tak muat. Sorry. Okay, 3 and then A power of 2. A power of 3 because of 6 divided by 2. And then kita ada B power of 4. Okay, ni 4 divided by 2, we get 2. So akan jadi kat luar B power of 2. So kat dalam square root ni tinggal apa? Mana kita tak keluarkan tadi? So kita tak keluarkan yang 2 ni dengan A ni. So tinggal dekat dalam adalah 2A. Alright, so this is the answer. Inilah nama dia simplifying. Kita simplify dalam root tu and then kita keluarkan kat luar. Tu saja simplify lah. Okay, beza rationalizing kita akan multiply lah dia punya denominator. Kita tengok denominator dia, kita and then kita multiply atas bawah. Alright, so I hope you understand.